Welcome back to Healthy Care Over 50, where we bring you practical tips and valuable insights to help you live your healthiest life after 50. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that could make a real difference for those of us in this stage of life: drinks that can help flush out excess blood sugar overnight. As we get older, maintaining balanced blood sugar levels becomes increasingly important for overall health, energy, and longevity. You might be wondering, can a simple drink before bed really help with this? Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more energized, and with better blood sugar control, without any drastic lifestyle changes. The good news is that there are drinks backed by science that can support your body in doing just that while you sleep. But which drinks actually work? And how do you incorporate them into your nightly routine to see real results? We're going to break down the facts versus myths, explore the science behind how these drinks work, and, most importantly, give you a step-by-step guide on how long you need to take them to start noticing improvements. Whether you're managing blood sugar or simply looking to boost your overall health, this information could be the game-changer you've been waiting for. Stay with us until the end, because you won't just be learning about the drinks, you'll gain insights into how they fit into a comprehensive approach to better health as we age. If you're ready to take control of your health and give your body the best chance to thrive after 50, then hit that subscribe button, grab a notebook, and let's get started. 1. Oat straw tea. The natural compounds found in oat straw, particularly avenanthramides, have shown potential in improving insulin sensitivity, which may aid in managing blood sugar levels. A 2024 study published in Food Chemistry explored the effects of avenanthramides on blood glucose regulation. The research indicated that these compounds could enhance the body's response to insulin, thereby helping to lower blood sugar levels. This effect is particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with high blood sugar or insulin resistance. To make oat straw tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried oat straw in boiling water for about 10 minutes. For those looking to incorporate it into their nightly routine, drinking a cup before bed may help support blood sugar regulation during the night. Consistent consumption over several weeks is typically needed to observe noticeable effects. It's always advisable to monitor blood sugar levels regularly and consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount for your individual needs. 2. Psyllium husk drink. Managing blood sugar levels can be challenging, but certain dietary fibers like psyllium husk have shown potential in this area. Psyllium is a soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water, slowing down the digestion of food and the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This process can help stabilize blood sugar levels, especially when consumed regularly. A 2024 study published in BMC Endocrine Disorders found that daily intake of psyllium husk significantly reduced postprandial blood sugar spikes in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The study highlighted psyllium's ability to enhance glycemic control, making it a valuable addition to the diet for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. For best results, it's recommended to mix 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk in a glass of water and drink it before meals. How long it takes to see results can vary, but consistent use over a few weeks typically yields noticeable improvements. For those wondering how much psyllium to take, starting with a smaller dose and gradually increasing to the recommended amount can help avoid any digestive discomfort. 3. Moringa tea. Consuming moringa tea could be a simple and natural approach to managing blood sugar levels. This tea is made from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera plant, which has been recognized for its nutritional benefits. According to a 2020 study published in Complementary Therapies in Medicine, moringa was found to significantly reduce blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The study highlighted that moringa's high content of isothiocyanates and phenols may enhance insulin sensitivity and lower glucose levels in the bloodstream. When consumed regularly, particularly before bedtime, moringa tea might contribute to more stable overnight blood sugar levels. This is thought to be due to its ability to slow the absorption of sugar in the intestines, providing a gradual release of glucose into the blood, which helps avoid spikes. To incorporate moringa tea into your routine, brew a cup using dried moringa leaves or powder, allowing it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. How long should you continue? Consistent daily use over several weeks may show the best results. How much is effective? 1 to 2 cups daily is often recommended, but it's wise to consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. 4. Chamomile tea. Enjoying a cup of chamomile tea before bed might support better blood sugar control. A 2020 study published in Nutrition Reviews found that regular consumption of chamomile tea significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels in participants with type 2 diabetes. This effect is attributed to the tea's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can enhance insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood glucose levels. The study revealed that compounds in chamomile, such as flavonoids and terpenoids, can reduce oxidative stress, a factor often linked to poor blood sugar control. This reduction in oxidative stress may allow the body to manage blood sugar levels more effectively during sleep, promoting better overnight glucose regulation. Incorporating chamomile tea into your evening routine might contribute to improved blood sugar stability, but it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle overall. Chamomile tea is not a quick fix, but it can be a valuable addition to other healthy habits. For those wondering how long it might take to see benefits, consistent consumption over several weeks is recommended, but how much of an impact it has will vary depending on individual circumstances. 5. Turmeric milk. Incorporating turmeric into your evening routine may have beneficial effects on blood sugar management, thanks to its active compound curcumin. A 2023 study published in Drug Discovery Today highlights curcumin's role in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood glucose levels. This compound works by modulating inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key factors in insulin resistance. Consuming turmeric milk before bed allows the body to absorb curcumin overnight, helping to maintain balanced blood sugar levels. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin are particularly effective in targeting the root causes of elevated blood sugar, such as inflammation in the body. Additionally, turmeric's impact on the liver aids in glucose metabolism, further supporting blood sugar regulation. To make turmeric milk, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a cup of warm milk. You can also add a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. For best results, drink this mixture 30 minutes before bedtime. Regular consumption may contribute to better blood sugar control, but it should be part of a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet and exercise. 6. Ginger tea. Managing blood sugar levels naturally is a concern for many, especially those dealing with diabetes or prediabetes. One approach that has gained attention involves using natural remedies to aid in blood sugar regulation. In a 2023 study published in Foods, researchers explored the effects of ginger on blood sugar levels, revealing that ginger significantly improves insulin sensitivity. This improvement helps the body use glucose more efficiently, leading to lower blood sugar levels. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which have been shown to modulate the enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism. This process can reduce the amount of glucose entering the bloodstream after meals, potentially aiding in overnight blood sugar management. To incorporate ginger tea into your routine, simply steep a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger in hot water for about 10 minutes. Drinking a cup before bedtime might help in stabilizing blood sugar levels while you sleep. Consistency is key. Drinking ginger tea regularly may offer more sustained benefits. However, it's crucial to monitor your blood sugar and consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount for your specific needs. 7. Lemon water. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. One approach that has gained attention involves incorporating lemon water into the daily routine. The acidity of lemon juice, combined with its rich vitamin C content, may play a role in improving insulin sensitivity, which is essential for regulating blood sugar levels. A study published in Diabetes and Metabolic Syndrome, Clinical Research and Reviews in 2023 explored the effects of citrus flavonoids on blood sugar levels. The research found that these flavonoids, abundant in lemons, can help reduce glucose absorption in the intestines, potentially leading to lower blood sugar levels after meals. To incorporate this into your routine, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it before bedtime. This simple habit might support your body's overnight regulation of blood sugar. Consistency is key, and regular consumption over time is more likely to yield benefits. It's important to note that while lemon water can be a helpful addition, it should complement other lifestyle changes rather than serve as a standalone solution. 8. Aloe vera juice. Incorporating aloe vera juice into your nightly routine may offer potential benefits for managing blood sugar levels. The bioactive compounds in aloe vera, particularly its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, can influence glucose metabolism. A 2016 study published in Nutrients explored the effects of aloe vera on blood sugar levels, demonstrating that regular consumption significantly reduced fasting blood glucose in participants with prediabetes. The polysaccharides and phytosterols in aloe vera are thought to enhance insulin sensitivity, thereby helping to regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Additionally, aloe vera's impact on the gut microbiota may also play a role in glucose metabolism, contributing to its blood sugar lowering effects. For optimal results, it's recommended to consume a small amount, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice diluted in a glass of water around 30 minutes before bedtime. This timing allows the body to metabolize the active compounds overnight, potentially helping to stabilize blood sugar levels by morning. Consistent use over several weeks is usually necessary to observe noticeable effects. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider to ensure this approach aligns with your individual health needs. 9. Bitter melon juice. Managing blood sugar levels effectively can be challenging, but certain natural remedies offer promising support. Bitter melon, a tropical fruit commonly used in traditional medicine, has been gaining attention for its potential to help regulate blood sugar. A study published in Plants in 2021 demonstrated that the active compounds in bitter melon, such as charantin and polypeptide P, mimic insulin's effects, helping to lower blood glucose levels. These compounds enhance glucose uptake by cells and reduce sugar absorption in the intestines. Drinking bitter melon juice before bedtime might help in managing blood sugar levels overnight. Its bioactive compounds work throughout the night, supporting the body's natural insulin production and improving glucose metabolism. To prepare, juice 1 fresh bitter melon, remove the seeds, and consume about 50 to 100 milliliters. Due to its strong bitter taste, it can be diluted with water or mixed with a small amount of honey if needed. For optimal results, it is advisable to drink this juice consistently for several weeks. However, it's essential to monitor blood sugar levels regularly and consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating bitter melon juice into your daily routine, especially if you are on diabetes medication. 10. Fenugreek water. Soaking fenugreek seeds overnight releases soluble fiber, which plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels. The fiber forms a viscous gel in the stomach, slowing the absorption of carbohydrates and sugars into the bloodstream. This process helps in maintaining stable blood glucose levels, particularly after meals. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2023 found that participants who consumed fenugreek water daily experienced significant reductions in fasting blood sugar levels. The research highlighted that the amino acid 4-hydroxyisoleucine in fenugreek seeds stimulates insulin secretion, which aids in lowering blood sugar levels naturally. To incorporate fenugreek water into your routine, simply soak a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, strain the seeds and drink the water on an empty stomach. Regular consumption, especially when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity, can be an effective way to manage blood sugar levels. However, it's important to monitor blood sugar regularly and consult a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, particularly if you are on diabetes medication. 11. Cinnamon tea. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels overnight is essential for those managing diabetes or trying to prevent insulin resistance. Incorporating cinnamon tea into your nightly routine can be a natural way to support this goal. Cinnamon contains bioactive compounds, such as cinnamaldehyde, which have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity, thereby helping the body process glucose more efficiently. A 2019 study published in the International Journal of Food Science found that participants who consumed cinnamon regularly experienced significant reductions in fasting blood glucose levels. The study highlights cinnamon's ability to slow down the rate at which the stomach empties after meals, which can prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar. To benefit from cinnamon tea, steep a teaspoon of ground cinnamon or a cinnamon stick in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Consuming this tea before bedtime may help regulate blood sugar levels as you sleep, offering a gentle natural aid in overnight blood sugar management. It's recommended to start with 1 cup per night, but consulting with a healthcare professional is wise to ensure it complements your overall health regimen. 12. Apple cider vinegar. Managing blood sugar levels overnight can be supported by incorporating a small amount of apple cider vinegar, ACV, into your routine. ACV contains acetic acid, which slows down the conversion of complex carbohydrates into sugar in the bloodstream, thus preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. A 2019 study published in the International Journal of Medical Research and Health Sciences found that consuming ACV before bedtime significantly improved fasting blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The acetic acid in ACV enhances insulin sensitivity, which helps the body utilize glucose more effectively. To incorporate ACV, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a glass of water and drink it before going to bed. This simple practice can help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight, potentially reducing the risk of morning hyperglycemia. However, it's important to start with a smaller amount, like 1 teaspoon, to assess your body's tolerance. Over time, you may increase the dosage to the recommended 1 to 2 tablespoons, but be mindful of its acidity, which can affect tooth enamel and digestion. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or take medication for blood sugar management. 13. Green tea. Sipping a cup of green tea before bed may offer benefits for managing blood sugar levels. The polyphenols in green tea, particularly epigallocatechin gallati, EGCG, have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity, which helps the body manage blood sugar more effectively. Research published in Nutrition and Metabolism in 2020 found that regular consumption of green tea significantly reduced fasting blood glucose levels in participants with prediabetes, suggesting that it can play a role in maintaining stable blood sugar overnight. This effect is thought to occur because EGCG inhibits the enzymes that break down carbohydrates, thereby slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Additionally, green tea has a calming effect, which may reduce stress-related blood sugar spikes, helping maintain more consistent levels throughout the night. To achieve these benefits, it's recommended to drink 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily, ideally before meals or in the evening. Opt for unsweetened green tea to avoid any added sugars that could counteract its benefits. While green tea can support blood sugar management, it should be part of a broader strategy that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity. 14. Okra water. The ability of okra water to influence blood sugar levels comes from its high fiber content and potent antioxidants. When soaked overnight, the soluble fiber from okra is released into the water, which can slow down sugar absorption in the digestive tract, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. This effect can be beneficial for people looking to manage their glucose levels more effectively. A 2023 study published in Frontiers in Pharmacology investigated the effects of okra extract on blood sugar and insulin resistance. The researchers found that okra significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity in participants. This supports the traditional use of okra in managing blood sugar, showing that its compounds can be effective in controlling glucose levels. For those interested in trying this method, the process involves soaking okra pods in water overnight and drinking the water in the morning. The exact impact can vary depending on individual health factors, so it's important to monitor your blood sugar and consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns. And that's it for today's video from Healthy Care Over 50. We hope you found this deep dive into drinks that can flush out blood sugar overnight both informative and inspiring. Now it's your turn. Are you using any of these drinks to manage your blood sugar levels? If yes, what drinks are you using, and have you noticed any difference in your health? We'd love to hear your experience, so be sure to share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, kindly type yes in the comment box. It really motivates us to create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Care Over 50 for more health tips.